Hi gorgeous, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is HollyLynora and today's video is quick and I just want to try this trend. It's a fall trend apparently. It is called the lip fade or the fab fade and I'm so intrigued by it because it is like the complete opposite of what I normally do. I don't like this clip. This is the outcome. I know, like you'll have to watch and see what it's all about. There's a video of like a how-to on MAC Cosmetics website. I got an email from them and that's where I learned all about this trend. So I watched the video and I just wanted to try it for myself and I wanted to try it with you. So I will put a picture of what we're going to do. I'm going to link the video that MAC posted down below so you can see for yourself like what this is all about. And we're gonna try it here right now. If you know me, if you've been watching me, you know I love to line my lips, overline with a darker brown nude color, and then I like to bring it in, transition into a lighter, softer beige, light nude, light pink, that ombre lip effect that makes a big, plump, juicy lip without, you know, going and getting your lips injected. This I feel like is the complete opposite and apparently it's trending. So let me know what you think about this lip fade. Let me know if you had heard of it before, if you do it, and let's get into this trend. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm a little nervous, not sure why. Pretty sure it's because I am so used to having the bold color on the outside to create the pout and then fading the colors towards the center, like moving into the center of my lips, and this is the complete opposite. So I'm going to go in with, let's try this from NYX, the Lying Loud collection. This one is in the shade Darling Damsel. If this color doesn't work, if it doesn't show up that well, we'll go in with the darker color. Okay, I don't think this will be dark enough, but literally she starts on the inside of the lips. Yeah, that's not dark enough. No. Nope. Redo. Okay, so let's go in with Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in the shade Vivid Pink. Even if it doesn't go well with the look that I have on right now, we're just going to do it just to see how that looks better. And they actually used a lip stick. She pat it to kind of fade it out. I don't think I'm gonna like this. And then she topped it off with a gloss. I've got two glosses here. This is the Forget the Filler from Lawless, and then I've got the Refi. This has a slight tint to it. You can't really see it. This is absolutely clear. So we'll just go in with this one. So it's literally a two-step, I don't even want to say a hack. It's 2 steps. That's what it looks like up close. Honestly, up close, I like it. I mean, it's cute. It's not game-changing. Like, from far away, I mean, I don't think you can really tell. I think from what I'm used to, this would take a lot of getting used to for me personally. I need your opinion on this makeup trend. I mean, I think my lips just look like lips right now. They don't look, I mean, they look like glossy and pretty, but I don't know. I think it's a cute little look for an everyday thing, you know? But I wouldn't say this is like a trend. I'm not on board like, oh, this is so pretty, you need to do it. I mean, it just looks I'm not sure why we're calling it a trend, but I mean, hey, you like what you like. You might be looking at this going, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I can't wait to try it. But I mean, can you even tell a difference really? What do you think? Undecided. It's not my favorite. I will say that. Do I hate it? No. I want to, can I play Switzerland on this? Huh? Not applicable? Switzerland? Let me know down below what you think. I know, super short video, but I wanted to try this out, see why they were calling it a trend, what, you know. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on the lip fade down below, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.